Hello guys, welcome to Infinitech YouTube channel. After watching this video you will be able to create a bootable USB device for install Windows. To create a bootable device you need to download a software called Rufus. I will put the download link in the description. First, plug the USB drive to your computer. Make sure to format the pen drive first. Then open the Rufus software. If you have multiple USB devices plugged in at same time, select which one you need to use as portable drive. From Boot Selection tab, select Disk or ISO image. Then click on Select and select the Windows ISO file which you downloaded. If you don't have Windows ISO file, you can find the download links in the description. From Image Options, select Standard Windows Installation. Then you have to select the partition scheme. To find what is your partition scheme, right-click on this PC icon and go to Manage. Then click on Disk Management. From the window, find your hard drive name and right-click on it. And go to Properties. From this window, go to Volumes. Here you will see partition style. Again go back to Rufus software and select the partition style. From Target System, select UEFI. And from File System, select NTFS. Then click on Start. Wait till the progress bar go to 100%. After finished, click on Cancel. Then I will unplug and replug the USB drive to confirm our process is done. Thanks for watching this video. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Infinitech channel.